because I haven't done the pound CAD, I don't think. I'm also going to do the EURCAD as well at the same time, both CAD pairs. So you can see if you load them up both on the daily, I'm cross analyzing them if you like, they look slightly different. Their preceding moves are very similar. Because what happened was, and you remember this, the the pound CAD and the euro CAD both fell from late August, early September, all the way down. Okay, you had a massive fall. That was a great tech short zone. Okay, you pulled back up, then you came down. Same thing here, more or less. Now, where you are at the moment is very similar to what I was saying on the DAX. And by the way, if you're now rewatching this or you've just come along, don't forget to get my free training underneath and like, share, comment, and subscribe. So that is just because I'm reposting this. That's why I reset it. When I'm live on TradingView, obviously people will miss that. But the last 2 days of price movement on your EURCAD, you've got a big red candle followed by minor rejection to the upside. And on your pound CAD, you haven't had that today. Okay, it hasn't come into green, it's just gone down. Now, clearly, because you're resting along your earliest moving averages and you've got very tight pull downs, okay, it's clearly strongly uptrending. And now what's happening is you're falling to your very first area of price rejection or support to the upside. Okay, so that gives you the chance now to think, okay, well, if I've got the strong uptrend, I've got a minor pullback, how much do I want to buy? I'm fully well in the knowledge that the price may retrace all the way back here. So perhaps I should trade it slightly lighter. Now, given you've got people buying the pounds over the CAD, okay, you may expect, if you put your higher time frames up for this, you may expect to reach levels of price action above the previous height. And you can see, again, there isn't this massive forceful pull down this week. Okay, you do have price rejection here, but you're not pushing really, really harshly. You're coming to very early areas of support, about 168.58. So really, if you're going to buy the pound CAD, I would do it very lightly. I definitely wouldn't consider shorting it unless you come up to your next level of key price action. Okay, so you've had one push, two push, three pushes, 4, 5, maybe it will take you up here, right? And that is what makes a retracement overall. This retracement, which you can see there, is built of many, many ebbs and flows, okay, on your lower time frames to make the overall higher time frame move. Like I said, if you put your time frames up, okay, you can see you've got an overall downtrend long term. So anything higher up, coinciding with all these levels of key price action to the left, can be drawn a very awkward eclipse again, is going to be ideal for shorts, anything higher. Now, in terms of your EURCAD, which I've got on the right hand side, again, you can see you're very far off key moving averages. Okay, so any longs, just like your pound CAD, they're going to have to be light. Okay, because you've already come up a significant way. You're late to the party. Everyone else is drunk, and you've just come along, you know, and you're saying, guys, I thought it started earlier, and you're too late. So be careful. The current 4-hour candle you can see is very weak. It's not doing a lot. I wouldn't be shocked if you do get slightly lower from here. How low is debatable. You definitely shouldn't be buying it. I probably wouldn't consider even selling it right now as well, because I think you've got room to the upside very slightly. Anything around the previous high, which you've just seen, anything up here is ideal for shorts. What's interesting as well is it's very similar to your dollar CAD. If you look at your higher time frames, like your weekly, you can see you are downtrending. You've got lower highs, lower lows. Okay, so overall, it's a great tech zone, in my opinion. On your weekly, wouldn't be shocked if that continues. Okay, so you had various areas of sideways movement on the pound CAD. Zoom out the I just have to go to the, yeah, we are on the weekly. You don't have quite the same on EURCAD, but nonetheless, if you can get either of them to poke slightly higher, I think you're going to be very ideal for short entries. I prefer the pound CAD lightly long here. Okay, you've had a very minor pullback, so you don't have a lot of market value, but you are early support within a stronger market sentiment. It's not the same for the EURCAD. If you wanted to short both of them, I'd let them move up slightly, in other words. I think more or less that gets the basis for what I'm saying on your